Welcome to the future of warfare. The military technology here is no different from the inventions of geniuses like Tony Stark, changing the game and making the whole world tip its hat in awe. These innovations are not only groundbreaking, but also a giant leap, bringing warfare into a new era. You won't believe your eyes. Dogo, the silent armed killer robot. Enter Dogo, the stealthy 22-pound robotic killer. Armed with a 9mm Glock, it can strike targets up to 18 feet away, all while moving silently like a ninja. With speeds up to 4 miles per hour, Dogo can overcome obstacles, enter buildings, and even climb stairs. Equipped with 360-degree day and night vision, 8 color cameras, and advanced targeting, Dogo is a master of its terrain. It can even neutralize threats using pepper spray, making it the perfect tactical ally in hostile environments. Meet the Smart Bunker Buster Bomb, a supersonic weapon that can penetrate reinforced concrete with ease. These bombs are carried by the B-2 stealth bomber, accelerating to incredible speeds to destroy hidden enemy targets, like command centers and ammo depots. The GPU-57 variant can penetrate up to 62 feet of concrete, more than enough to destroy even the toughest targets. Raider X, the futuristic combat helicopter. Raider X is a true fighting machine designed to dominate in any harsh combat scenario. With a top speed of 200 knots, 370 kilometers per hour, it easily outruns any rivals in the sky. Twice as fast as conventional attack helicopters. Its coaxial rotor system ensures perfect stability at high speeds or in complex conditions. What sets Raider X apart is not just its speed, but its devastating combat capabilities. Equipped with advanced digital control systems, the pilot can instantly switch between weapons like machine guns, anti-tank missiles, and rockets, all in the blink of an eye. Raider X can eliminate targets from both the air and the ground, with pinpoint accuracy in any combat situation. With its modular design, Raider X can quickly adapt to various combat roles, from direct assault to supporting ground troops. It can infiltrate high-risk zones, eliminate targets, and extract quickly, making it the perfect machine for special operations. The K9 vision system revolutionizes military operations by enhancing the capabilities of trained dogs. This cutting-edge technology enables real-time transmission of high-definition video and audio, ensuring seamless communication between dogs and their handlers. With an impressive range of 2,625 feet, K9 vision allows these loyal companions to operate effectively in challenging environments, from dense urban areas to remote battlefields. Whether scouting, detecting threats, or performing rescue missions, the system empowers military dogs to become indispensable assets on the modern battlefield. The Barracuda ULcast FSS from Saab sets the gold standard for camouflage. This netting not only perfectly conceals personnel and vehicles from thermal cameras, but also allows GPS and radio signals to pass through. Moreover, it reduces solar heat by up to 80% and effectively shields against radar in the 1 to 100 GHz frequency range. It's no surprise that this product is favored in over 40 countries, including the United States. The Lynx KF41, developed by Rheinmetall, is a powerhouse of versatility and firepower. In its standard configuration, this infantry fighting vehicle packs a 35mm automatic cannon, a 7.62mm machine gun, and an anti-tank missile launcher, making it a formidable force in combat. What sets the Lynx apart is its adaptability. When required, it can transform into a light tank, equipped with a 120mm cannon, the same devastating weapon used on the Leopard 2 main battle tank. With a top speed of 70 kilometers per hour and the ability to carry an 18-ton payload, the Lynx is built to tackle the intense demands of modern warfare. Combining speed, power, and adaptability, the Lynx KF41 is a game-changer on the battlefield. Skyex, a German air defense revolution. In a world where small drones wreak havoc, there's a game-changer on the battlefield. Skyex, the ultimate air defense system. With ultra-precise stabilization and self-guiding capabilities, it operates at a mere 2.5 meters, taking down enemy drones and cruise missiles like Iran's Shahad drones. Skyex fires 1,000 rounds per minute, boasting a 100% kill rate with 35mm ammo. An impressive feat at a price tag of just $4,000 per unit. For comparison, a single missile from the classic American Hawk air defense system costs a jaw-dropping $250,000. APC Patria 6x6 and Nemo Mortar, a versatile duo. The Patria 6x6 armored vehicle and 120mm Patria Nemo mortar system are a game-changing pair. The crew operates from within, protected by Level 2 ballistic and mine-resistant armor. On the move, the Patria is agile and amphibious, effortlessly gliding across rivers. The Nemo mortar system can fire at coastal targets, support landings, or engage enemy ships, making it a versatile force on land and sea. Stinger Armored Recon Vehicle. Stinger is a lightweight armored vehicle designed for reconnaissance and patrol missions. The standout feature of Stinger is its remote control capability and impressive speed of up to 120 km per hour. Built to STANAG 4560 protection standards, it can withstand NATO 7.62 by 51mm bullets fired from 30 meters away and safeguard its crew against a 10-kilogram mine blast. Additionally, the Stinger can be equipped with machine guns, 30mm cannons, or even rocket launchers. EOD Bomb Disposal Suit. An advanced bomb disposal suit has been developed for EOD specialists. This modular suit, made up of 9 armor plates, provides exceptional protection against fragments, shockwaves, and heat. It can integrate breathing systems, lights, cameras, and touch screens. In emergencies, the suit features specialized handles that allow robots to safely evacuate the wearer to a secure location. BooBab K, Poland's minefield master. When enemy tanks approach, BooBab K springs into action. This automated mine-laying system can lay 600 rounds of various types, creating minefields up to 2,000 yards long and 100 yards wide in just 22 minutes. With less than 30 minutes required for a full reload, this system ensures a formidable defensive barrier. And in the air, the M139 Air Volcano helicopter can scatter 960 mines in a single sortie. An unstoppable combination. M1150 ABV, the tank that breaks through. The M1150 ABV mine clearing tank is the ultimate groundbreaker. Weighing in at 72 tons, it's equipped with a mine plow and line charges that clear paths by detonating explosives up to 500 feet ahead, ensuring safe passage for troops. Priced at $16 million, it's an investment that saves lives and keeps armies on the move. A-UGV Mission Master, the UGV of the future. The Silent Missile Master UGV is a versatile remote-controlled vehicle that handles everything from cargo transport to medical evacuations. It can carry 2,200 pounds of gear and travel up to 466 miles on a single fuel tank. Armed with machine guns and MLRS rockets, it can strike targets from up to 4.3 miles away, ensuring safety and effectiveness on the battlefield. The Cockerill IX, the world's first ground-based interceptor capable of destroying incoming threats from long distances. With a top speed of 124 miles per hour on roads and 99 miles per hour off-road, it's equipped with a fully extendable weapon system and AI-driven targeting capabilities. The operator wears a special helmet that provides 360-degree vision and threat assessment, ensuring maximum effectiveness in any combat scenario. The MV3 Histrics is a cutting-edge multi-mission vehicle, built for counter-terrorism, hostage recovery, and crisis response. Featuring a mission-adaptive platform, it excels in breaching, obstacle clearance, and delivering real-time intelligence with advanced video, audio, and detection systems. Designed for independent or team operations, it offers NIJ Type 4 ballistic protection, enhanced firepower, and CASEVAC capabilities, ensuring safety and efficiency in critical missions. With space for 8 personnel, a 700-kilogram payload, and detachable shields, the MV3 is built for the toughest challenges. The Xtender Micro system is an optimal solution for flexible surveillance and reconnaissance using drones. With Xtender, users can operate one or multiple drones through virtual or augmented reality. What makes it unique? It is incredibly simple to control, requiring only one hand and no complex skills. Xtender devices can fly up to 2 kilometers on a single charge while carrying payloads of up to 150 grams. These drones can even operate efficiently in confined spaces without relying on GPS. The highlight is the Xtender software, integrated with artificial intelligence, which provides superior data processing capabilities. The FLIR LVSS transforms an ordinary pickup truck into a mobile surveillance hub. With a 5-meter mast equipped with radars, cameras, and sensors, this system can provide 24/7 coverage within a 20-kilometer radius. Even more astonishing, the FLIR LVSS can track over 500 targets simultaneously, automatically classify them, and display the information on a map, all without requiring the operator to leave the cabin. Shadow NAV for combat divers. For combat divers, JFD's Shadow NAV is a groundbreaking innovation. Mounted directly onto a diving mask, this device displays critical information such as depth, dive time, and direction on a heads-up display. Users can even adjust brightness or switch between metric and imperial units. This product is not only designed for military applications, but is also highly valued by civilian professionals in underwater missions under dark conditions. Mantis RCWS Mini Weapon System. The Mantis RCWS Mini is the ultimate multi-purpose weapon system. Designed for pickup trucks, armored vehicles, and naval vessels, it's easily mountable and operable via a screen and joystick, delivering a PS5-like experience. Equipped with a 7.62mm machine gun and advanced optics, it excels in reconnaissance and targeting. Upgraded versions can feature 12.7mm machine guns or 30 to 40mm grenade launchers, making them perfect for counter-UAV operations. Manta Ray, autonomous underwater vehicle. DARPA's Manta is an unmanned underwater vehicle capable of conducting missions in harsh marine environments while remaining undetected. Designed for reconnaissance missions and providing power to submarines, Manta can dive deep into the ocean and hibernate until it receives new orders. A cutting-edge technology straight out of the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in the next video.